What's up, guys? It's your girl Drea, and I'm back with another reaction. So, guys, this is gonna be a Emmanuel and Phillip Hudson reaction. It's these two guys that does this crazy stuff. I don't even know how to explain it, but you will see my reaction to it. And these guys are hilarious, guys. So I know I'm gonna be tripping like crazy when I watch this video, and this is their video called the Ratchet Girl Anthem video. So they finally made a video to that, but they also have a video where they just did it where it's just them two. So y'all guys go check them out. That is Emmanuel and Phillip Hudson. And guys, make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And let's get into this reaction. I know this gonna be hilarious. I can already feel it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my God! Who the house looking like that? I'm gonna turn up on the salon that did her hair like that. I'm like thinking. Go back. Try again, boo boo. Try again, boo boo. Ew. OMG, what do she have on? She Ratchet. Her lace front is all wrong. Cause she rich. Give me the phone. I'm finna take this hell of a picture. Cause she Ratchet. Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter. You know
Oh
you
my god. Look at his hair. Oh my god.
Girl, yes, I'm pregnant, but I still hit the club. I'm in the middle of the floor with no shoes. Where's
Is he supposed to be
cute
pregnant?
today? Apple bottom jean fur boots today. Had to keep it looking good, cause my baby daddy just made bail. He a thug, he a shoot today. New baby, need new shoes today.
Oh
And
my
support check
god,
into
this
today.
is.
Got my tracks yesterday.
Oh my
Girl,
gosh, this
did you get
is
the blue
not
today?
good.
Gon' be feet up. Move, tramp. It's the 15, I got my food stamps. Got a brand new piercing, brand new tat. Paid $95 for this weave plus tax. Bow, been a thing over while I spank my no red hair, this cake alone. I set the track off the back of a rack that's whack. If she ever talk to smack, if she thinks you wrong, whatever. See you lie, my number, bye. Ooh, here she come, girl. Shh, be quiet. Hey, girl, how you doing? You better get it. Turn around, let me see who did your sweat. Okay, we'll talk to you later, girl. OMG, what do she have on? She Ratchet. Her lace front is all wrong. Cause she rich. Give me the phone. I'm finna take this hell of a picture. Cause she Ratchet. Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter. You know you Ratchet. Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. See you Ratchet. Boy, bye.
Oh my god, this is not.
Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Oh, she too fake. She Ratchet. My name is Emmanuel, but my girlfriends call me Kari. The club is free before
Oh
we let
my
it. Then we party. Yes, I am the baddest, but you can't have this boo boo. Sorry, cause kosher is my future baby daddy. Mari got Chris Brown. If she don't shut it up, then it's team shut it down. I'm with Team Bad Chick, team with your man. If he got a lot of money, then it's team he pants. New camera phone go zoom, click. You know what that mean? Bathroom pick. You already know throwing do. Since my booty on the sink, I'm too thick. Her piece be line trick, that ain't you. And even if it is trick, you ain't cute. That's a red hair trick, that ain't true. All natural trick, that ain't rude. OMG, what do she have on? She Ratchet. Her lace
Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
Give me the phone. I'm finna take this hell for pic.
Oh my god. That's a...
This girl on Twitter. You know you whack, 'cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. You whack. Boy, bye. Now with them shoes on. He Ratchet. Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Oh, she too fake. She Ratchet. Hold on. Wait a minute. Who you looking at like that? I mean, what you wanna do? She ain't looking at you like that. She ain't. The nails do come
Is he talking to...
Pause. 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 What you wanna do? I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. What's up? What's up? Whatever. Whatever.
Oh my goodness. This is not happening.
She right.
Oh my god. Oh oh my god. Oh my gosh. Okay, deal. As you can tell, guys, I have kind of calmed down from my reacting to this video, but they are so freaking hilarious, guys. You have to check them out. And guys, I will have some more reactions coming from them. I got plenty of them in my saved playlist for you guys. So guys, please make sure you go check them out. And if y'all have any more other funny things that's similar to that, or just maybe even not, it don't even have to be similar to that, but just funny, let me know down in the comments below, and I will gladly react to it. Alright guys, so make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!